Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a quick $100 per day using nothing but ChatGPT and promoting affiliate products. Now, most of you guys should be familiar with affiliate marketing is. For those of you guys that aren't, real quickly, affiliate marketing is just simply promoting somebody else's product and getting paid a commission for that product. So for example, you can promote a $100 product, 50% commission. Every time you refer a sell, you get paid 50 bucks. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about product fulfillment. You don't have to worry about a lot of the tech stuff. You don't have to worry about sales. All you need to do is share an affiliate link out there on the internet and simply get paid. So I'm going to show you exactly how over the course of almost 60 days, not quite yet, we started a campaign on January 23rd using ChatGPT, and today is March 19th, and we've generated $7,236.80, which is over $100 per day. So I'm going to show you the exact formula that I used to generate these results so you can copy the whole entire process. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you take the bell icon because we always talk about different ways to make money online, passive income ideas, et cetera, et cetera. So go ahead and do that now, and let's go ahead and let's dive into this video. So the first thing that we want to do is we of course want to set up a automatic selling system. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to get set up with the same exact product that I promoted here. So all you need to do is click the first link in the description below, which is step one. It's going to take you to this page right here. This is called a sales letter. All you need to do is click this button here. But before you do that, make sure that you watch this video. You can feel free to read more about this. Essentially, what is this? What is it that we're promoting? Well, this is an all-in-one digital business that has different trainings within it that teach people how to build an online business, how to build a brand, how to get more customers to whatever it is that they are selling or promoting. This could be a brick and mortar store. This could be coaches, consultants, course creators. Essentially what we're doing is we're paying the $25 fee to get access not only to the training, but the ability to relicense the product and earn 80% commissions, which means we're going to earn $20 per sell. So all you need to do is click on this button right here. It's going to take you to this page right here. Fill out all of your information and credit card here. And then once you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to go ahead and add this 14-day free test drive to your order. The reason that we're going to do this is because we're going to use this in part 2 of our formula that of course allowed me to create the results that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So make sure that you check this box and you go ahead and you complete your order. Now also make sure that you've checked this box as well. Click the green button and you will be good to go. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to log into the members area, which I'm going to go ahead and do that right now at any point in time. And sometimes I'll just go to Google and type in Home Business Academy login. That'll just allow me to get there quicker. And I can go ahead and I can log in right here. Again, this will automatically, once you complete your order, you'll automatically be logged into the back office. But I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this page right here. Okay. The first thing that you want to do, ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. You want to go to affiliate zone right here. Click on affiliate zone. And then all you need to do is sign up for the affiliate program right here. Okay. Once you sign up for the affiliate program, you're going to log into Samcart. Samcart is the affiliate back office that takes care of all the payments and pays out the affiliates. So when you log in, you're going to get access to this dashboard right here. Of course, you're going to see zeros right now, but we're going to watch this grow over time. The next thing that you want to do is scroll down and acknowledge the different links that you're seeing here. The link that we will be using is the all-in-one $25 business sales letter link. Okay, you can go ahead and copy that. You can save it to a notepad. After you do that, you want to head over to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT obviously is the AI that we're going to use for our marketing to get visitors to this affiliate link right here, right? So this is part 2, where we actually, now that we have a business set up and a very low cost business set up, we want to get as many visitors to this link as possible. Okay, you can see that I've sent 8,211 clicks, 211 visitors that led to quite a few sales, over 100 conversions right here. So we want to make sure that we get as many visitors. To do that, we're going to use email marketing. Okay, so we're going to jump over here to ChatGPT, and it's going to write us an email that's going to go ahead and promote the all-in-one business for us. So I'm going to do this straight off of the cuff right now. I have not premeditated much on this. You're going to get the most out of ChatGPT, the better questions that you ask it. So I'm going to put, can you write me an email that sells a $25 digital product, teaching people how to start an online business? And what we can even do, guys, is we can jump back over here, and I'm just going to go back to the sales page right here. And you can see it says brand new, the world's first all-in-one $25 digital business is a new, smarter, faster way to step into an immediately profitable business online, yada, yada, yada. And you can see right here, you could start earning instant $20, $100 monthly commissions. What we want to do is we want to find out the features and benefits of this. And we can use this to allow ChatGPT to create an effective email for us. So the more that we know about the product and just simply read the sales page right here, we can pick out little bullet points that represent the product, and we can use that for ChatGPT to write an email for us. So I'm just going to take this right here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go ahead and let's actually just paste the whole thing right here. Can you write me an email that gets people to click a link to learn more about getting instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions in as little as 24 hours without ever creating your own products or websites, and even if it's your first day online? Cool. Let's press enter. Oh, whoops, it looks like it had the Z. That's okay. So it's going to think there for a minute. While this is thinking, you might be wondering, well, okay, where are we going to share this link though? Like, okay, ChatGPT is going to write an email for us. It's doing it right now. But where are we going to send this email? We're going to send this email in a service known as, and this is actually the commissions for this service. Let me just show you this real quickly. It's really cool because not only can you use this service for yourself, but you could share it with others. And I've earned an extra $3,358. Pretty cool, right? So what this service does, so you don't have to go out there and do a bunch of hard work getting website visitors, posting on social media. They will send you 100 leads per day, okay? And you can click the link in step 2 to go ahead and come to this page to learn more about this. But essentially, they're going to send you 100 leads per day that you can actually email to, and you can email any offers. And the offer, of course, that we're going to be emailing is this all-in-one $25 business. Now, I'm showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing to get these results. And you guys are following me step by step. So this is paint by numbers. And all you need to do is once you click on use my secret now, you enter your email address and you complete the payment, you'll get access to the back office. Okay, you're going to click on log in and you're going to go ahead and log into your account. So after you've made your payment, you'll come to this login page right here. Again, if you already have my lead gen secret, then you can just click the login button like I did. But essentially, we're going to log in and you'll have your first 100 leads available. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and click on create message. Then you're going to go ahead and select all your leads right here. Of course, I have quite a few leads. And that's because I've had this subscription for some time as well. And I've got, 9,000 leads that I'm emailing right now. Really, really cool. And if you bring in a customer into this, then you too are going to be able to get bumped up to 200 leads per day instead of that 100 leads per day. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I'll show you exactly how to do this, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and jump over back to ChatGPT, and it has a subject here and it has a body right here. And what I want to do is I want to see if I can make this shorter. So I'm going to say, can you make this shorter? Okay. I like this. So this is shorter, more concise. And we're going to modify these slightly as well. And you could do the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the subject right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to jump over to the mailing system here, MLGS, and we're going to go ahead and paste. Okay. Instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions. That's all I'm going to put, and then ... Because if we have too many characters, people won't see the subject line in their inbox, right? So again, we're taking ChatGPT's emails, we're slightly modifying them to our liking. And then you just repeat this process every single day, you guys. It's really that simple. You can find another, part on the sales page that has features and benefits of HBA, just like what we did. I simply took the headline, made a email out of the headline. You can scroll down further, right? And go through, for example, the body right here. And you can find more features and benefits of this specific product and use it to write even more emails. Okay. So this is already struggling to make money online, and we want to space too as well as much as we can. Of course, not too much. I want to break everything up because it's easier to read. Our simple system can help you start earning instant $20 and $100 monthly commissions in just 24 hours without any technical skills or experience. You'll get access to high converting offers, pre-built funnels, email swipes, and step-by-step training. Click the link below to learn more and start earning. So I'm just going to click the link here. Click the link here to learn more and start earning today. Transform your financial future now. And we'll put Josh. Put your name at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and delete that there. And we're going to jump over here. And now we can copy the all-in-one $25 business sales letter link here. We can jump back over. We can highlight this whole bit here. Click on the anchor text link here and simply paste and click on OK. We got our first email. Literally, that was, really 5 minutes of work. Click on perfect timing and then click on send email. Once you do that, you are ready to go and you are in a position to start earning residual $20 payments. And you're also even going to earn, like they stated on the sales letter, $100 payments as well, which has helped me create the results that you're seeing right here. Now, there is a part 2 to this, where not only am I using email marketing, but I'm also using YouTube marketing to get these results. And what I'm able to do is allow you to copy my exact YouTube formula and my YouTube videos and upload those videos to your YouTube channel. So you can also start driving traffic, visitors, sales from YouTube. In conjunction with that, what you're going to want to do to get access to these assets is just shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger below and just it'll take you straight to my Facebook Messenger and just type in assets, and not a robot. I will personally reach out to you and give you those assets. I'll make sure that you're set up the right way too as well, so you can really succeed in your online business. Also, before I go ahead and end this training, what you want to do is you want to log in to your members area, of course, of the Home Business Academy. You notice, of course, we were on the affiliate zone tab here. You want to go to the HBA Premium tab, and you want to go to Get Traffic Free. And I want you to watch the YouTube ranking video and the easy button YouTube strategy video and start implementing that every day as well. If you do that, you're set to go to start producing massive results online. Whether you want to quit your job, you want to travel the world, you want to take a few extra vacations, this is a simple formula that you could do each and every day that I've been doing to generate results in no more than 5 to 10 minutes per day. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Look at the links in the resources below, the resources section below. Click those links, complete the steps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.